Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the general term in the binomial expansion and its middle term or terms. We have already learnt about the binomial theorem, and that is x plus a whole power n is nc0 x power n plus nc1 xn minus 1 into a plus nc2 xn minus 2 into a square plus so on ncn a power n. We find here in this expansion that the first term t1 is nc0 xn, t2 is nc1 xn minus 1 into a, t3 is nc2 xn minus 2 a square, and so on. What we are finding? In the first term, we find it is C0. In the second term, we find it is C1 and 1 is subtracted from n for the power of x, and this is single power 1 power of a. In the next third term, we are finding r is 2, that is C2, and same 2 is subtracted from n for the power of x, and the same power 2 is coming for a. It means we can say that the general term in this expansion can be taken as tr plus 1, r plus 1th term, that will be ncr x power n minus r into a power r. If we write this first expansion as 1, and in 1 we replace a by minus a, replace a by minus a, then this will become x minus a whole power n equal to nc0 x power n minus nc1 xn minus 1 into a power 1. Why? Because a is minus a, so this sign will change, plus nc2 xn minus 2 into a square. Since it is the whole square of minus a, this will remain positive, and so on. We can find out the last term as ncn a power n into minus 1 to the power n. It means what we find in this expansion, alternate terms are negative. In this case, the general term will be r plus 1th term, tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r into a to the power r into minus 1 power r. So whether it is negative term or positive term will be depending on the value of r. If r is even, this will be positive. If r is odd, this will be negative. Now we discuss one problem based on the general term. The problem is, find the ninth term in the expansion of 2x plus 1 upon x whole power 15. When we write the solution of it, in the question we are finding 2x plus 1 upon x whole power 15. It means here the first term x is 2x, the second term a is 1 upon x, n is 15, and we have to find the ninth term. So we write the general term first, that is the formula for the general term, that is tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. We are to find out the ninth term, t9 equal to 15 c8, because r here will be 8, that is r plus 1 is 9, into x, that is 2x here, 2x to the power 15 minus 8, into a, that is 1 upon x whole power 8, and we simplify. This is 15 c8 into 2 to the power 7 into x to the power 7, 15 minus 8 is 7, into 1 upon x power 8. We know that 15c8 is same as 15c7. It means we can write this as 15c7 into 2 to the power 7 into 1 upon x power 8 minus 7, which is equal to 15c7 into 2 power 7 into 1 upon x, and that is the ninth term in the expansion of 2x plus 1 upon x whole power 15. To find the middle term or middle terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, we have to see how many terms are there in the expansion. We know that the number of terms in this expansion is n plus 1. Now whether n plus 1 is even or odd, that will decide how many middle terms will be there. It means we will have two cases. Number one, when n is even. If n is even, this will imply that n plus 1 is odd. And if n plus 1 is odd, it means number of terms is odd, then there will be only one middle term. There will be only one middle term, and that is n plus 1 by 2th term. It means we can say that the middle term in this case will be t n plus 2 by 2. Number 2, we have when n is odd. If n is odd, then n plus 1 will be even or not. And we know for even numbers there will be two middle terms. So there will be two middle terms. And that is n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. So in this case, the middle terms are t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. Because here it will be n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is n plus 3 by 2. Now we discuss one problem based on finding the middle term. And the problem is find the middle term or terms in the expansion of 2x plus 3 upon x whole power 10. For the solution, first of all we see that in the expansion of 2x plus 3 upon x power 10, we are finding n is 10. Therefore, the number of terms will be 10 plus 1, that is 11, which is odd. And in case of odd, there is only one middle term. So therefore, there is only one middle term. And that is 11 plus 1 by 2th term. That is equal to 12 by 2th, or we can say 6th term. So the middle term is 6th term. And we know the formula for general term, that is TR plus 1 is NCR xn minus R into a power R. So here we find that R will be 5, and hence the middle term, that is 6th term, will be 10c5 into 2x power 10 minus 5 into 3 upon x power 5. This comes as 10c5 into 2 to the power 5 x to the power 5 3 to the power 5 upon x power 5. This x power 5 and x power 5 cancel. This is coming now 10c5 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5, or we can write 10c5 into 6 to the power 5, which is the middle term in the expansion of 2x plus 3 upon x whole power 10. In the next video, we will learn about the binomial expansion for any index. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.